You know, I used to spend hours online comparing detectors, VDI charts, reviews. I'd watch reviews of detectors all the time. And I kind of more or less convinced myself that my detector was the problem. And eventually I gave in and I bought the better detector, right? And but here's what I learned the hard way.
Welcome to Straight From The Coil, Beyond the Beeps. I'm your host, David, detectorist, storyteller, and believer in what the hobby really gives us. This isn't just about targets in the ground. It's about the mindset, the moments, and the meaning we uncover along the way. So whether you swing solo, dig with friends, or just love the sound of a solid tone, you're in the right place. Let's go beyond the beeps.
You know, we all hit that moment. It's that dry spell. You're out on a hunt, digging nothing but trash, not getting any good targets, no silver, no coins, nothing. And then suddenly we're looking at the detector like it's the problem. Maybe I need multi-frequency. Maybe this coil's not doing its job. Maybe I need more features. Maybe. But it's not the machine. It's how well you know it. So gear doubt is real. It's a real thing. And I've been there. But most of us are barely scratching the surface of what the detector that we already own actually can do. And that's when we need to take a long, hard look and spend more time with that detector. The detector doesn't get better, you get better. So here's why experience beats upgrades. The more hours you put in on the machine, the more it starts to make sense. You'll start to hear those subtle differences. You'll hear how can slaw and aluminum trash starts to sound a little bit sloppy and not clean. And you'll start to notice that clean edge that you get on silver or a coin. You'll notice the difference. You'll learn the machine's language. You'll start learning the quirks, and it'll start making a lot more sense for you the more you learn. And that's when it really starts to work for you, because your detector is just a tool. The skill comes from you. And I'm not saying to never upgrade. I'm just saying don't upgrade until you have maxed out your machine's potential and that you put those hours in and you've really learned the machine. And then by all means, go for it. But if you upgrade too early, you're going to find yourself spending money that you don't need to spend. Now, as I said, I've made this mistake. And I bought a better detector thinking it was going to be magic for me, right? Suddenly I'd go out and I'd find silver after silver or awesome relic after awesome relic. But it didn't work out that way. You know, instead I was getting the same results and I was finding trash. I didn't know the new detector well enough and I got frustrated and I ended up switching back to my old machine for a little while. And guess what? Same site, same conditions. The machine I upgraded from found a wheat penny that I missed. Here's something to think about. Upgrading too early, all that does for you is it resets the learning curve. And the best machine in the world is not going to save you if you're still shaky on swing speed, tone IDs, learning how recovery works, adjusting your sensitivity to the site, ground balancing, you know, all that stuff. If you take away one thing, just take away this, and that is we chase shortcuts. New gear, new hope, but the truth is The hobby rewards patience, not purchases. Ask yourself, have you already mastered your detector that you currently own? Have you learned everything that you can learn about it and maxed it out? Have you got the basics down? And chances are your old machine still has more to say if you'll just listen to it. If you've ever felt that itch to upgrade, let me know. What pushed you toward that? Did it help? Did you go back? Did you finally figure out, even though you upgraded, that you need to spend that time with that detector? Drop your story in the comments if you're watching on YouTube, or click the link and share your story through the forum, and I'd love to hear from you.
Thanks for tuning in to Straight From The Coil, Beyond the Beeps. Remember, in 2 weeks, another episode will drop, and I hope to see you there. Thanks for listening.